Welcome, welcome to Look Beyond the Frame, a podcast where we learn to analyze stories one step at a time. I'm your host, Rohini, and today we are starting with something that might seem simple at first, the setting. Where and when does a story take place? But here's the trick setting is never just about a place or a time, it always tells us more than what's on the surface. So let's break it down. Setting is where and when of a story. A dusty desert, a futuristic spaceship, a school classroom. But think about this. Why would an author choose that desert, that classroom? What atmosphere does it create? What does it tell us about the characters' lives? That's what analysis is about. And asking why the setting matters. Let's take an example. The rain beat down on the cracked pavement. Streetlights flickered one by one in the empty alley. Now, the author could just say, the setting is an alley at night in the rain. That's description. But analysis always asks, what effect does it have? The darkness, the flickering lights create tension. The rain makes the mood heavy, gloomy. The cracked pavement show neglect, perhaps danger. The empty alley creates a sense of isolation, makes it scary. When you're analyzing the setting, here are some questions to guide you. What details stand out? The weather, morning or evening? What is the time of the day? What objects can be seen, read? What sounds does the author write about? What atmosphere do they create? Is it peaceful? Is it threatening? Is it victorious and joyful or oppressive? How does it connect to the characters? Does it reflect the emotions of the character or is it in contrast with them? Why might the author have chosen this setting? Answering these questions may turn simple observation into analysis. Here is another one. Sunlight poured into the tiny kitchen, bouncing off the yellow walls. The smell of fresh bread filled the air as voices laughed over the clatter of plates. Now pause for a moment. What do you notice? If you said warm, homely, safe, that's right. The setting does suggest comfort and togetherness. However, later in the story, if this cozy kitchen is disrupted, that is when we would feel a loss even more strongly. So, your takeaway setting is more than a backdrop, it creates mood, it shapes character, it prepares the reader for what is to come. So, watch out for where is this happening? What does this place make me, the reader, feel? And why? Thanks for joining me today on Look Beyond the Frame. In the next episode, we will analyze characters, their actions, and words. Until then, my recommendation keep reading, keep noticing, and keep looking beyond the frame. Thank you.